Imagine having complete control over your bookings. With Request to Book for Booking.com, you can review reservation requests to ensure the perfect guest fit. This feature enhances guest screening, allows you to personalize stays, and ultimately offers you peace of mind. Unlike instant booking, Request to Book allows you to accept or decline reservations manually. This empowers you to prioritize control over convenience, tailoring the booking process to your needs, and enhancing operational efficiency. The two-way confirmation system starts with a guest request, followed by your response. You have 24 hours to accept or decline, ensuring timely communication. This process helps manage bookings effectively and enhances guest interactions. To utilize Request to Book for Booking.com in Homhero, simply select it as the booking type for your listings. Explore our knowledge base for more info and enhance your hosting experience with Homhero.